Hi, my name is Julie Barassi, and this is my service learning project. I chose to do my service project at Metalodge of Clare. Metalodge of Clare is a leading provider of long-term skilled nursing care and short-term rehabilitation solutions. They offer full continuum services and care focused around each individual. They have 4 different floors. Apple Blossom, McKeever's Corner are their long-term halls, Country Lane is their rehab hall, and downstairs Whispering Willow is their dementia unit. Their current patient census is 76. One of the things I did at Metalodge was go on their trip to the Mount Pleasant Casino. I helped get residents on and off the bus. I pushed wheelchairs around to the machines of their desire and socialized. One lady even won $500. Some stipulations for residents to go. The residents must have their own money and are transported by the facility vehicle. Number of residents to attend trip depend on numbers of volunteers. The ratio is 1-to-1 due to wheelchairs needing to be pushed, sometimes 1-to-2 if a resident is independent and can walk. Another thing I did was volunteer at their Valentine's Day party. I helped do the ladies' hair and nails, set up decorations, took down decorations and cleaned, socialized with the residents, helped the residents vote for king and queen, and transferred residents on elevator from upstairs to downstairs to their designated floor. This was their dessert table. This was the table they could vote for king and queen. And this guy's name is Kenny Ray. He comes and sings old-style country and western for the residents every once in a while. I also attended the residents' shopping trip. I helped get residents on and off the bus, helped push the wheelchairs and shopping carts, helped find items residents wanted, helped load and unload items from the bus and place them in residents' rooms. Again, the number of residents to attend depends on volunteers. Ratio is 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 if resident is independent and can walk. They must have their own money, and they can only purchase items that can be kept in their room, so no weapons, medications of any kind, alcohol, or cigarettes. If a resident does smoke, workers must purchase their cigarettes. Social sciences. With the residents being in the nursing facility, they get companionship and are able to socialize with the other residents and with the staff. They are also able to have some independence because the facility lets the residents vote for things they want to do and different trips they might like to go on. They have an on-site salon, so they do not get to miss the feeling of getting to go out and get their hair done. Residents have access to on-site religious services for those who choose to attend. They go on different trips and are allowed to go shopping, so they still get out into the community. They also have organization activities like bingo and cards. Thank you for listening to my service learning project.